Hey amigos, let's make my favorite high protein sandwich as I try to lose some weight. If you watched my previous video, you already know that I have lost about 8 kgs within the space that I have been working out. And these are some of the food that I've been eating that keeps me fuller for longer. And I just go about my day. So I hope you like this recipe and you get to try it out too. If you haven't already, please join our group of amigos by subscribing to my channel, like, comment, and share the channel with everyone that you know. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section what you think of this sandwich. Will you be trying it out or not? If you've made it this far, I truly appreciate it. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. From me, Moody. Adios. Bye.